So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy the Graph cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom and select on the search or the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top under Explore, search by name or symbol, just go ahead and type in Graph. So once you're here, the Graph ticker symbol GRT is here. Just select it, and then if you want to proceed, press on Buy. Now, once you're on this page, you can type in how much of this crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $6 worth, you would type in 6 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order. So how much of the Graph crypto that you're purchasing, the total fees, the total cost. And if this looks good, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy the Graph cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.